This is my bike that I got for my early birthday present, and this is the person who's about to ride it. You ready? Let's go.
No, Lauren. Lauren, no. Let's do this.
You ain't took care of me. You ain't took care of Jason. You take care of us. She took care of us. What you talking about?
Here she goes. She's riding it all the way down, guys.
Never took care of me in a day.
Let's reach this out to
Watch me. You ain't never took care of me. Stop lying.
Stop, Lauren.
Never took care of me.
to 10 likes, people. I know it might sound little, but I'm trying to work it up there, people. Here she comes back on the grass. You can get it at Walmart and you can order it online. You have to watch out because it could damage your feet. Here you go on the grass. Here she goes all the way down.
This video is not sponsored.
She's just saying that because she's just trying to be funny.
It's really not sponsored, and they can really get you for dirt. Yeah.
She's trying to come back up. She got a little stuck, but that's okay. Here she goes. Here she goes now.
Can I ride it? Or am I too deep?
Here she goes. And she stopped. And that's the end of the show.